I think you did a phenomenal job for our 12-year-olds. Thank you so much for
Thank
having
you.
Most engaging interviews I've ever given, to be very honest. I've been very honest, and I think one of the youngest for people who was interviewing me. I've given almost more than 200 interviews till now. Every day there is an interview, but this was the most candid, spontaneous interview. And I did not feel like I am talking to a kid. Yeah. So
I think you're doing really your age. You were really young, but I think you're much sorted when I'm your age. And I really love you very bubbly. You're a very cute kid, and I think you should take it up professionally. Be like an RJ or a presenter or something, and I'm sure you do well. And hopefully in a couple of years, I'm going to see you behind some news channel interviewing me.
Okay.
I really enjoyed talking to you. I think you're really interesting. I like meeting new people. So I think you're fascinating, and I love what you're doing. I've watched some of the other interviews as well, and it's really great. And some really interesting people. I would say just keep what you're doing, man. Keep doing what you're doing. It's a great thing, and keep spreading the word about people that are making impact in the world, because more people need to see and learn more about those kind of folks. So good.
All right, so what I loved about this show is interacting with you, Aditya. The best thing about this show is that the questions that you asked, they are so very relevant and actually aligns to the need of people. Okay, so they are not something out of, like people cannot relate, and it's a lot of gyan kind of work, content, right? But your questions were very specific, very relevant, which I am very sure will help people resolve some of the areas of concerns probably they are dealing with, some challenges that they are dealing with. Secondly, I think the thought process that has gone into coming up with this entire initiative of yours, because see, just coming up with, because I have already given so many interviews with so many YouTube channels and live interviews on news channels and lot of interviews, and in every interview people want to learn about your journey, but most importantly relating that journey with the audience is where the real trick is, right? So if I have my journey, how is your audience going to benefit? So that is only possible when you as a host is able to connect the audience with the speaker. So I have loved the entire thought process that has gone in this show, wherein you identify the right people with the right questions, and then connecting it with your audiences and helping them face those challenges. And thirdly, and the most importantly, is that at this early age, seeing you with so much of bubbling confidence, I'm going to share this video with my daughters as well. So I'm very sure that everybody is going to be so inspired to see a young host like you, who can very confidently comprehend, because many times people even of my age or even elder, they may not be able to comprehend the kind of stuff that I am saying, and more importantly having the patience to listen. I think that's wonderful. So kudos to you, and I'm very proud to see you doing such a great job. And I think you are a role model yourself for so many people of your age and beyond.
Thank you.
One of the things I've learned from this is, even as we were planning for this, I think we've been trying to do this for the past 1 month. I like your consistency and your commitment and your focus. Thank you very much for this platform and for this opportunity. The other thing that I like is that we're able to work across different time zones, and we're still able to get this show to work.
Yes. To be honest, I like very much the structure of it. I really admire what you do. I think that you are an inspiration for other children, not only for your country, but for the whole world. You are a young person who prefers to learn, to take valuable information, to take wisdom from other people instead of sitting at home and playing PlayStation or doing other dumb stuff. So I really love the whole format, the idea.
Concept and the fact that you are so little and you're doing this, it is very it's really, it gives me immense pleasure that there are kids who are thinking on these lines, and especially you, Aditya, what you're doing is great. Because when I thought of the name, Pallavi's name, I realized, oh my god, this is a great platform, because there are kids like you who are not interviewing people, but they're out there, they're listening to all kind of YouTube TED Talks and and for them to have access to actual people who, in the professions and their struggle and their successes, it's just great. It's good stuff you're doing. All the best. Keep smiling. That's my advice.
Thank you for those words of encouragement.
You are doing a super wonderful job by bringing all the different experts together in this panel at this age. So I would simply say that you are a gold mine, bringing the gold things to the world. So keep doing it. All my love, all my blessings to you. You're doing a perfect, awesome job.
No, I think I was really happy with, this is my first type of interview with any talk show like this. So I think I'm really happy with the work that you're doing, Aditya. The initial call that we had, and I was actually quite surprised to see that someone at such a young age is doing so much of work. So that is something which is why I asked you a few other set of questions also before we began with our session. So yeah, I'm really, it's definitely a very positive thing which is going on, and keep impacting the youth the way in which you are, and the sky's the limit.
I should thank you for this brilliant approach, the initiative you took, because I was going through your earlier videos for last couple of days in the YouTube. Mind-blowing, Aditya, what you are trying to do to inspire the young India, the next generation. I should say, bravo, Aditya, bravo. You just keep up this good work, Aditya. God bless you, Aditya. You are the next generation who can revive India.
That, Aditya, that when I see you, I see my mini version, and I'm so happy to see you doing such wonderful job. As I said, you are a champion, and a champion is a person who keeps going and sharing his ideas and his thought process to the world as large. I think you are, at this age, you're doing so well. I truly think that when you reach, when you will be growing up, you will be somewhere else, and then I'll be coming to you and telling, Aditya, you remember I had been on your show once, and can you just give me your autograph? So that time please give me the autograph, and that is going to happen for sure, because you're going to go ahead truly amazingly. So no suggestions. I think you're doing a fabulous job, Aditya, at this age, and I truly enjoy interacting with you. I enjoy working with a lot of kids and teenagers of your age. I think that really helps me learn also from them, and I've learned a lot of things from you as well, Aditya. So thank you so much for this wonderful experience. I am going to add you in my treasure box of memories, and definitely this is going to take I'm going to take this home along with all the other things which we talked today.
Proud of you, very much proud of you. आपने इतने छोटेपन में, इतने बचपन में, you are such a young चाइल्ड.
Yes.
तो मेरे आप बच्चे समान है, और बहुत अच्छे आपने अच्छा इंटरव्यू, मैंने राजेश जी का भी सुना, आपने मेरा भी लिया, तो इट्स इंस्पायरिंग, एंड एक्चुअली ऑल द बेस्ट. यू कैन लर्न अ लॉट. लॉट मीन्स लॉट. यू कैन you can achieve a lot.
जैसे पहले आपने बताया, when I was registering, आपका चैनल देखा, तो इंटरव्यूज कई सारे इंटरव्यूज लिए आपने. सो जो स्कूल में नहीं सिखाया जाता है, that all you are sharing through these interviews. So you are doing absolutely fantastic job. Hats off to you. So मतलब आप इस एज में इतना कर रहे हो, so I can say definitely आप फ्यूचर में बहुत आगे जाओगे.
I think I love your energy. I love your smiling face, and I really love the way you are conducting it. This initiative on a very young age, what you are taking, that is commendable. Like at your age, maybe I was only thinking about going and playing. I was never thinking about doing something value addition to someone's life. So your thought process is really good, really pure, that adding value to people's lives. So I wish you really all the best, and all the success to you.
Channel is the host. He's so young, so bright, so brilliant, and so dynamic, full of life. I've never seen such a host.
Thank you.
May God bless you more and more, and may your channel grow more and more. I would urge all the viewers of this channel, whoever is watching this show, to subscribe to this channel and connect with this. And the idea is very good, talking to people and talking from your heart, and those people also pour their hearts to you. It is a very good a very good exercise that you are doing, and I wish you all the very best in your endeavor and in your life.
Yes, sir.
I'm curious and wonderful, and I'm grateful. Yeah, I think that's it. I mean, I think practice makes perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
You have started to do something which has nothing to do with any career orientation. Like people generally are, if you ask a person of your age, they'll say what their parents have told them. Okay, they'll say doctor or engineer or lawyer or something or something else. But you are, I think, I guess you are under 15.
I am actually 13 years old. 12 years
so
old, and this
a child
yeah. Yes, sir?
So this is what I would call you a child prodigy. I would call you a child prodigy. You are doing such amazing things. You are taking interviews of people. I have seen your channel. There are so many prominent people who have come on your channel, and that is why when I came on your channel, before that also, I did some preparation. Of course, my preparation might have gone haywire, but I really felt like I need to prepare myself to come on your channel. So you are doing amazing. Aditya Talks is just doing amazing, and I wish all good luck for this channel. I would love to see this channel grow in due course of time. I want to see this channel having 1 million viewers someday, very soon.
It's a brilliant initiative. I mean, the fact that you're taking the effort to talk to people and put out some meaningful content for people to know is in itself a fantastic thing that you're doing. There's a lot of club which is extremely negative and which is very petty at times, inconsequential really. But here you're talking about so many subjects and talking to people who give a sense of positivity, who give you good understanding of things. So that's something that I like very much about what you're doing. And of course, the fact that you're doing it at your age means that there is a lot of learning that goes into what you are doing, and it gets incorporated as you go along. You're not bound by monetary compulsions which adults tend to get bound by. So
Yes.
your performance is going to be far superior to any normal any grown-up this thing. And I hope that this will help you as you grow up and you face those pressures in due course. But it's a very nice starting that you're doing.
Thank you, sir.
हर चीज नैसर्गिक प्रतिभा होती है, ठीक है। जैसे घोड़े में ना वो कड़ा सा उसका पैर में होता है, तो उसमें प्रकृति ने बनाया कि उसमें नाल ठोक। हम जबरदस्ती मेंढक में ठोकेंगे तो फट जाएगा, मर जाएगा। तो ईश्वर ने पता है आपको जन्मजात दिए, संस्कार दिए या गुण दिए हैं कि कैसे बात करना है, पूछना है। एक बार मैं जयपुर में जयपुर योग महोत्सव में गया था बोलने के लिए, और एक छोटा सा कंपटीशन हुआ था बोलने का 2 मिनट में योग पे। मैंने भी बोला था तो मुझे शायद तीसरा स्थान मिला था, लेकिन मुझसे छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने प्रथम द्वितीय स्थान लाया। तो यह एक जन्मजात कला है, अच्छा बोलना, अच्छा लिखना, अच्छा चित्र बनना, हर चीज जन्मजात होती है। तो देखो, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट। मैं पहली बार जीवन में इस तरह से किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ, धीरे धीरे मुझ में भी सुधार होगा। जितना ट्रायल करते हैं ना, जो गलतियां एरर होता है वो कम होता जाता है जितने बार हम अभ्यास करें। तो मुझे क्या होगा ना, मैं बोलना बताना सीखूंगा। मैं जैसे आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, अभी मैं भी शायद रिकॉर्डिंग बाद में देखूंगा तो मैं पाऊंगा कि अरे मैंने यहाँ ऐसे बोला, ऐसे बोला, ऐसे। सीखना तो जीवन पर्यंत चलता रहेगा। मैं भी सीखूंगा। आप क्या सीखोगे? अरे मुझे यहाँ पे वॉइस को ऐसे करना था, ये प्रश्न पूछना था, ऐसे। तो हम दोनों सीखने और सिखाने की प्रक्रिया से गुजर रहे हैं। मेरे लिए भी ये फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा। और आप जैसे इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा अभी जागरूक है, बहुत तेज है, क्योंकि सूचनाओं का साधन अब बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है। तो कोई कल्पना नहीं कर सकता था, शायद हम लोग इतने तो समझदारी ले रहे होंगे भी आप जैसे जो बौद्धिक प्रश्न इतना अच्छा कर ले रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है। ये आपका
We get to learn a lot from each other, and when you cover diverse personalities over a period of time, you are learning a lot and giving back a lot, teaching a lot to people, so that helps your viewers and audience. So yeah, that's one very good thing about this show. It's very unique, and when you do as a child once does it, yes, then people start accepting and adopting those things better, much more.